Yay! Well, spring is here and summer's approaching and we're all looking to get our diets just that little bit healthier. So what better than a nice crisp salad? Right, first of all you need a really big bowl because you want to get right in there and get all the flavours all like amalgamated together and give it a good shake up. I've got a big bowl. First thing you need is something green. Okay, something green. And we'll have a little bit of maybe, I don't know, something orange. And we need a little bit more protein to balance out in there, so there we go. Right, you get your little salad tongy things. You see how we're getting it all shook up there, so you've got a nice balance of texture and flavour. Yeah, I think that's right. But because I've made quite a lot, see? I've made quite a lot, so I've invited a couple of friends around to share it with me. Come and join. I'm so glad you could both come. It's terrible what with the isolation and everything, and you need to look after yourself a little bit better. Want some? Want some? No? Alright then. Here you go. This is nice. Anybody want to play Twister?